How to blur a video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up CapCut on your device. Then tap on new video. Now select the video. Then tap on add at the bottom right corner. Now select the video. Then tap on effects at the bottom menu. Now simply tap on video effects. Then tap on the search button. Now type blur. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now choose the type of blur you want to add. Simply tap on adjust or setting icon. Now use the slider to adjust the blur. Now once you're done, simply go back. Then tap on next. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.